Quicab Falkenberg. Quicab Falkenberg is a groundbreaking concept in sustainable transportation. It's designed to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly and efficient urban mobility. Developed for the city of Falkenberg, this electric-powered cab service aims to reduce carbon emissions while offering a convenient alternative to traditional taxis. The vehicles are compact and agile, making them perfect for navigating busy city streets. They're designed for short-distance travel, providing an affordable and efficient way to get around. Quicab Falkenberg emphasizes both affordability and environmental responsibility. Its goal is to revolutionize public transportation by offering a green solution that benefits residents and the city's infrastructure. With its focus on sustainability and innovation, Quicab Falkenberg is setting a new standard for urban mobility. Flowell. Flowell is a revolutionary smart road surface technology developed by CASAS. It's designed to improve traffic management and road safety like never before. This system uses embedded LED lights within the road surface. These lights allow real-time changes to lane markings, parking spaces, and pedestrian crossings. Flowell adapts to traffic conditions dynamically. It guides vehicles and pedestrians more efficiently, reducing congestion and optimizing road usage. One of its standout features is the ability to instantly change road markings. This is especially useful during emergencies, roadworks, or special events, providing clear guidance to drivers and pedestrians. By enhancing road safety and efficiency, Flowell supports the development of smart cities. It paves the way for a more intelligent and flexible urban infrastructure. Flowell isn't just a road improvement, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is not your typical RV. It's a groundbreaking luxury motorhome that sets a new standard for mobile living. One of its standout features is the rooftop helipad, which comes with a two-seater helicopter. This isn't just an RV, it's a fully equipped mobile haven designed for elite travelers. Inside, the Elysium offers a spacious, ultra-modern living area. High-end finishes and cutting-edge technology create a space that feels more like a luxury apartment. The gourmet kitchen is perfect for preparing meals, complete with top-of-the-line appliances. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring smart fixtures and a sleek design for a spa-like experience. The living area includes a massive smart TV, an integrated entertainment system, and ambient lighting to set the mood. And the luxury doesn't stop there. The rooftop also features a hot tub, offering travelers a perfect spot to relax while enjoying incredible views. The Furrion Elysium combines innovation and opulence to deliver an unmatched travel experience. It's the ultimate choice for those who want to explore the road in style and comfort. HumRider. The traffic solution you didn't expect. Tired of sitting in traffic? The HumRider offers a wild solution. This one-of-a-kind modified Jeep Grand Cherokee was designed as a publicity stunt by Verizon, but its unique capabilities have captured attention worldwide. What sets the HumRider apart is its hydraulic system. With the push of a button, the vehicle can lift itself over 5 feet in the air, allowing it to drive right over traffic. The hydraulic system extends 4 legs, raising the car above surrounding vehicles. To ensure safe navigation, it's equipped with undercarriage cameras to help the driver maneuver over obstacles with ease. While the HumRider isn't available for purchase, this concept shows the power of thinking outside the box. It's an innovative approach to dealing with traffic jams, showcasing impressive engineering. MaTeHyS. The MaTeHyS City Mate High is a one-of-a-kind electric vehicle. It blends the fun of a skateboard with the practicality of a motorcycle. This innovative design offers a unique way to get around, whether you're commuting or exploring your city. It's fast, efficient, and packed with features to make every ride enjoyable. The City Mate High is powered by 2 strong electric motors. These give it a top speed of 30 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. Perfect for short trips and daily commutes. One of its standout features is the self-balancing system. This makes it incredibly easy to ride, even for beginners. Whether you're experienced or trying it for the first time, it's built to keep you steady. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly way to travel, the MaTeHyS City Mate High is a great choice. It's not just convenient but also helps you reduce your carbon footprint. A healthier, more sustainable way to move around has never been this exciting. Rollwalk Electric Skates ERW3. The Rollwalk Electric Skates ERW3 offer a fun and innovative way to move around. These skates are powered by electric motors, letting you glide effortlessly across different surfaces with minimal effort. Designed for ease of use, the ERW3 skates come with intuitive controls. You can operate them using a handheld remote or a mobile app. They are lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry when not in use. Safety is a priority, with features like regenerative braking and speed control for a smooth and secure ride. With their modern design and convenient features, the Rollwalk Electric Skates ERW3 provide a unique and exciting option for personal mobility. Prices typically start at $379, offering a fun and practical way to get around. Rubicon D11. The ultimate electric wheelchair for versatility and comfort. The Rubicon D11 is a powerful, versatile electric wheelchair designed for comfort and mobility, priced at $1,200. Equipped with dual 250-watt motors, the D11 effortlessly handles various terrains and steep slopes, giving you the freedom to explore with ease. The reclinable backrest, adjustable from 90 to 160 degrees, and the headrest ensure personalized comfort, whether you're driving or resting. With a long 25-mile range, the D11 is perfect for extended outings. Its foldable design collapses to just 13 inches in height, making it easy to store and transport. The joystick can be mounted on either side for convenience, and switching between electric and manual modes is quick and simple. Weighing only 64 pounds, the D11 supports up to 330 pounds with its strong aircraft-grade aluminum frame. Thanks to its tight 20-inch turning radius, the Rubicon D11 is ideal for navigating both indoors and outdoors with ease. With its advanced features, long range, and portability, the Rubicon D11 offers an unmatched electric wheelchair experience for all terrains. Micron 115. The Micron 115 is a compact, single-seat ultralight helicopter built for personal use. It's designed to give aviation enthusiasts an affordable and efficient way to experience flight. Thanks to its lightweight design and small frame, the Micron 115 is highly maneuverable. It's easy to transport and perfect for pilots who enjoy recreational flying. Powered by a modest engine, this ultralight helicopter provides enough thrust for short-distance flights and low-altitude operations. It's an ideal option for hobbyists or anyone seeking an entry-level helicopter. One of its key advantages is its straightforward assembly process. Combined with its cost-effective nature, the Micron 115 has become a favorite in the ultralight aviation community. For those seeking a unique and accessible flying experience, the Micron 115 offers a perfect balance of simplicity and adventure. Mykood Shoes. Mykood shoes are tech-enhanced sneakers designed to redefine comfort and relaxation. These innovative shoes feature 16 vibrational motors controlled by a smartphone app. They provide customizable relief for tired feet and sore muscles. The vibration intensity is fully adjustable, giving you the perfect level of comfort. With a long battery life, Mykood shoes offer up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Their stylish design makes them suitable for any occasion, whether you're traveling, working long hours, or standing for extended periods. These shoes can help reduce swelling and fatigue, making them ideal for long flights or demanding days. Mykood shoes combine advanced technology, fashion, and functionality to create a unique footwear experience. Priced at $21,900, they represent a luxurious solution for foot care and relaxation. Sunseeker Classic. The 2024 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 3010DS is a Class C motorhome built for comfort and performance. Priced around $195,000, this motorhome is constructed on a Ford E450 chassis, powered by a 7.3 LV8 Triton engine that produces 325 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Measuring 32 feet 3 inches in length, 8 feet 5 inches in width, and standing at 11 feet 3 inches high, the Sunseeker Classic is designed for spacious and comfortable travel. It has a gross vehicle weight rating of 14,500 pounds, with a combined weight rating of 22,000 pounds. For long trips, it holds a 55-gallon fuel tank, a 44-gallon freshwater tank, and 39-gallon tanks for both gray and black water. Inside, the motorhome features 2 slide-outs to expand the living space. It accommodates up to 8 people, with a 60 inches by 80 inches bunk over the cab, a rear queen-size bed, a convertible U-shaped dinette, and an option for theater seating or a sofa. The kitchen is well equipped with a 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave, a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, and a flip-up counter extension for extra space. The bathroom includes a separate 24 inches by 36 inches shower for added convenience. For entertainment and tech, the Sunseeker Classic offers an LED TV, a Winegard Air 360 Plus digital antenna for internet and TV, and 4G Wi-Fi capability. Climate control is handled by a 15,000 BTU ceiling ducted air conditioner and a 30,000 BTU furnace for all weather comfort. On the exterior, there's a 15-foot 6-inch electric awning and an outdoor shower for convenience, plus 101.7 cubic feet of basement storage. It's equipped with a 4.5 kilowatts gas generator and is solar-ready, making it ideal for extended stays off the grid. This motorhome is currently listed for around $195,000, though prices can vary based on dealer promotions and optional features. NARKE Electrojet. The NARKE Electrojet is a high-performance electric watercraft that redefines personal water adventures. It combines power, efficiency, and sustainability in one sleek package. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, the Electrojet delivers a smooth, quiet, and thrilling ride. Its advanced battery technology provides an extended range, perfect for long water adventures. With a top speed of 75 km per hour, 47 miles per hour, it ranks among the fastest electric jet skis on the market. Despite its speed, safety is a top priority. The Electrojet includes various safety features to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience. Its modern design, impressive performance, and eco-friendly operation set it apart. The NARKE Electrojet is a cutting-edge watercraft that sets a new standard for electric personal watercraft. Varjo Teleport. The Varjo Teleport is a revolutionary technology that brings the real world into virtual reality with incredible ease. Using just your smartphone, you can scan any space. Teleport's advanced algorithms then create a stunning, photorealistic 3D model of that location. This technology has countless uses. Architects and interior designers can visualize projects in virtual reality before building. Businesses can use it for remote collaboration, letting teams explore spaces as if they were physically there. It's also perfect for training simulations, offering immersive and realistic environments for learning. With Varjo Teleport, you can share these 3D recreations with anyone, anywhere in the world. It removes physical barriers and opens new possibilities for creativity and collaboration. The future of virtual experiences starts here, with Varjo Teleport. Ninebot Air T15, the ultimate urban commuter. Introducing the Ninebot Air T15, a sleek, lightweight electric kick scooter designed for urban commuting. Weighing only 23.2 pounds, the Air T15 is easy to carry and store. You can quickly toss it in your car trunk or bring it on the bus without hassle, making it perfect for a busy city lifestyle. This compact scooter is powered by a 250-watt motor that reaches speeds up to 12.4 miles per hour. On a single charge, it can cover up to 7.5 miles, ideal for short city trips and everyday commutes. For added safety and efficiency, the Air T15 comes with a regenerative braking system. This smart feature converts braking energy back into power, helping to extend your range and giving you a small boost when you need it. One of the highlights of this scooter is its intuitive step control operation. Riding the Air T15 is incredibly simple and smooth, even for beginners. Plus, the LED Nixie tube display shows your speed, battery life, and other essential details so you're always in control and informed. Priced around $799, the Ninebot Air T15 offers excellent value for anyone seeking a portable, efficient, and stylish way to get around the city. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or exploring your neighborhood, the Air T15 makes urban commuting fast, fun, and hassle-free. Kitty Hawk Flyer. Meet the Kitty Hawk Flyer, a personal flying vehicle that brings the dream of accessible flight to life. With its ultralight design, this vehicle is ideal for recreational flying over water and open fields, offering a truly unique and thrilling experience. Its intuitive controls make the Flyer easy to operate, even for those with no aviation experience, no pilot's license required. Powered by multiple propellers, it provides smooth, stable, and quiet flights at low altitudes, all with safety and simplicity in mind. The Kitty Hawk Flyer opens up exciting possibilities for personal air mobility, representing a bold vision of a future where flying could become part of everyday life. It's a perfect blend of fun, innovation, and convenience, giving a glimpse into how we might soon take to the skies.